to Digit.in. Today we have a really fun video for you. Shavik, tell us where are we are today?
So we are at Smash today. It's at Sector 18 in Noida. And what we have here
If you could
is
just show here.
that's a virtual reality based roller coaster.
Yes.
So what you really need to do is you can create any roller coaster design that you would want, like any complex structure that you would
You
want.
can just go bananas, just go crazy, create anything over here. Let's just try creating a roller coaster. So what Shavik is doing right now is that he's creating a 950 meter long roller coaster. The software here is going to simulate that roller coaster and create the exact ride for our virtual reality experience. So Shavik, please don't go really crazy because I don't want to be, puking on camera.
Okay.
So there you have it. The software is now thinking of what kind of a design Shavik has drawn. It's going to take some time for it to understand the crazy design. But here you go. You have your roller coaster being designed right here. And now we are going to go for a ride. So our ride is about to start, and as Shavik gets settled in over here, I'll just tell you that we are wearing the Oculus Rift right now. And this is a simulation of a roller coaster. I can already see the coaster, and I think I've drawn a crazy coaster this time around. And I'm kind of scared because this seems quite real.
I don't think
So-
you've done a very safe job of
Shavik, yes, do you think we'll survive this? Let's find out. Let's find out. Okay, we are ready to go. Okay. 1, go. Wow, do you see that bend up there? Okay.
I don't think anyone
Okay then. Okay, this is a crazy coaster ride. Oh my god. So actually what's happening is the seats are moving and so are we in our virtual world. But the simulation is...
would want a real roller coaster.
Yeah, I mean if you're scared of real roller coasters, maybe this is a good way to test out if you can survive them, Because this is your imagination going crazy on a coaster. Wow, it's just amazing how this thing is working right now. And that's it. That's the end of a 950 meter long coaster ride. And yes, if I remove this now, I do feel dizzy. I really feel dizzy and I think my legs are a little shaky. So it might take me some time to get to the next VR ride.
Alright guys, so we just had a roller coaster VR ride and that was
ride.
absolutely crazy, and the roller coaster that Adamya made, I really hope nobody makes a roller coaster like that. But anyway, so here we are at another virtual reality based ride.
We're
This is-
hopping off the roller coaster and
To a
going
magic
onto
carpet.
a magic carpet.
So this is supposed to be a magic carpet and it's all powered by Oculus powered VR headsets, and we're
And
supposed
don't
to get...
forget the giant fan here.
Yes.
Okay, I think this is for the air effect.
Yeah, it's gonna give you the impression that you're flying on air. So let's see how it goes.
Let's see how the magic carpet goes.
Okay, so here we are.
So here we are, I think, we have like a nice thing to hold. Alapin doesn't have a...
Nah,
stand,
he's
right?
fearless that way, but I'm a little not scared, but
Okay, and I think
I
I'm
still
gonna fly
feel
on
a-
top of bears because I see bears.
oh my god. One thing I'm sure I've never done that in life.
It's good that the bears aren't moving. That would
Oh.
be scary.
Yeah.
There's also a couple of buildings here.
Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3 bears, and one of the bears is not too happy. That's what it looks on the headset. I
You
can
see the helicopters?
Yeah, but are they helicopters?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What are they?
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh wow, this is actually pretty cool.
Yeah, this is...
And yeah, you can see a carpetish thing right underneath. That's like a,
Flying on top of...
I don't know, that's like a digital pad or something. But so inside the virtual world, it's filled with those look like aircrafts, and there are buildings, and we're flying right between mountain crevices. Adamya, how are you feeling?
I feel great. I'm flying in between planes, helicopters, helium balloons,
Yeah.
and a lot of trees.
Yeah. But this is a lot of fun and whoa.
It's
So
definitely a great way to pass your time, you know. We were just getting bored at office, so we thought,
Yeah.
why not come and check this out here?
this is the
Fun.
best thing that we've done in a long time.
Yeah, I think we need to get the guys here.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. And
We
to
just-
a spaceship.
That is a spaceship. This is incredibly cool because
Maybe in a few years we'll actually be doing this, Shobik, or maybe our kids will be doing this.
yeah, possibly. But
So now I think this is good. VR is good.
this is actually much more clearer than the Samsung
Yeah, much
Gear
clearer
VR
than the
that
Gear
we've
VR
used.
and less nauseating also, if I might add, than
Yeah,
the Gear VR.
but one thing, Adamya, I think once you get used to a roller coaster or a thing like this once or twice on VR, it's much more comfortable. It doesn't
That's
make
true,
you dizzy.
That's true. It's just the novelty factor that you're wearing a headset and
Yeah.
you're completely transported into another world.
Absolutely.
But I think after a few times, it feels quite natural, right?
Yep.
Oh. Okay,
We
so
just
we
crashed.
into a building.
Okay.
And that was the end of the magic carpet.
Is it?
As you can see, my hair are flying. Shavik can't find his feet.
Oh God.
How do you feel, Shavik?
But now I feel a little dizzy. But yeah, it's definitely a
See,
worthy
the kind of things we
experience.
have to do for you guys. We have to put our bodies through all this.
We're just putting our
All this.
lives on the line for this. But no, this is an incredible experience. You guys should totally come and try this out once.
Definitely worth trying. We are at Smash, which has just opened at DLF Mall of India in Noida. So it's pretty close to our office and it's great.
Yeah.
From what we've seen.
Absolutely.
What's next, Shavik?
I think
the
there
hang
are
glider?
a few other.
I think there's a hand glider right there.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I think
we're
you're
gonna
going
try
there
that out.
because I'm in a dress.
Okay,
So,
sure.
let's
Let's go. So we've tried the roller coaster and then we've tried the flying carpet and they've both been pretty insane. And here we have with us a hang glider. So you first get to sit on a seat and you get toppled here and there, and then you actually get a digital flying mat which takes you through all the mountains, and it was insane. But this one here, you're actually going to be hanged from a hook and you're going to fly all through, I don't know what, the entire mystery is inside that one
And
tiny
sadly, I
headset.
cannot go on it because
Yeah.
it's 65 kgs and below. And
Oops.
Shavik,
Yeah,
I think
well.
Shavik lied about his age,
Well,
but we will
they don't
just see
need
what
it.
happens.
So yeah, but anyways, I'm really excited about what the headset holds inside. Let's go and find out. This is mighty uncomfortable.
Shavik, do you feel like Superman?
No, I feel like a man who's stuck inside a very, I don't know what, a suit or something. Okay, now my legs are also tied up. This feels so weird.
Hey, this is like bondage.
I know, right? Like, this feels really weird. Yeah.
Actually, Shavik looks like something out of a science fiction movie right now.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure what to call him or what name to give him right now.
Okay,
But
wow.
man, look at this.
Wow, this
Dude,
is.
you look like a flying cyborg.
Yeah, I feel like I'm from some other planet or something.
About to take off, Shavik.
Yeah, and so we also have sound effects over here. There's a bat flying my way. Oh God. Whoa, this is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. So, you're flying in between trees and you're flying in between buildings, and this is a weird post-apocalyptic situation where there are buildings that have caught fire and I'm flying in between these buildings. It feels a little, oh God. Yeah, so you can almost sense the momentum here, and I can see random animals flying right underneath me. This is really, really immersive. This is incredible, actually. And
The
there's,
machine is going to break. It looks like machine machine is going to break and Shouvik may just fall. And the best
Don't
part
say
about
that, don't
VR
say that,
is
don't say that, don't
you
say
can
that.
do anything to the person who's wearing the headset because he can't see you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's something weird going on outside in the real world, but if you're inside this kind of a world, trust me, you wouldn't want to be in the real world. This is incredible. And this is so much fun. Wow. This is by far the most immersive experience that you get out of the Tree VR. And we also have the audio headphones right around my ears, which are adding to the sound effects, which make this even more immersive. In fact, like when you're brushing past the mountains, you can actually hear the mountains coming closer. You can actually hear the wind getting more dense to your left side. Like I'm passing by a mountain right now. This is beautiful. This was beautiful. This was absolutely beautiful.
I'm so jealous, yeah, Shouvik.
Apart from the entire discomfort of wearing the tight suit and everything, this was absolutely amazing. And this is by far the most immersive experience you'll get here. You missed it. She did miss it.
I hate him.
This was brilliant.
So guys, since Shouvik got to do his hand glider VR experience all alone, I am on this monster truck, which actually reminds me of Monster Truck Madness. I don't know if you guys played that game when you were kids, but I sure did. And okay, I'm gonna put on the headset now because the guy is waiting, and let's see what this is all about. Yeah. Okay, this is actually a game, and I think I got to collect some diamonds, which I can see over here in this VR world. So I'm just gonna get adjusted to the headset and get it calibrated correctly, and I have headphones also on me. Okay, so what's so a little difficult is the fact that I cannot really. Okay, this isn't that great because I think I'm crashing a lot of times. I'm just crashing. I'm just not even responding to my controls. Okay, now it is. Okay, there I go. Okay, my truck's off the road, but the game still keeps going, so there's no like fail mode in the game. I think you cannot fail in this game, you just keep going. I'm not really impressed by this. It's just quite boring actually. Whatever I do, it's the same speed that the truck goes at, it's the same braking. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is a little funny because I think I just upturned on the road, but not really that great. I'm not very impressed by this VR experience. And now I'm jealous of Shouvik that he got to do all the hand glider cool stuff on his own. This is actually for kids. Not a very, very good VR experience, but maybe that's not Oculus's fault. Maybe that's just this stupid game. Yes, I've called it stupid. Yeah, it doesn't work. It does not work. And my truck just flew off. And I'm going to land on sand and there. Yeah, okay, I think I'm about done here. Yes, he just stops abruptly. Not the best VR experience, this one, because I think there's something wrong with the game. It's not correctly calibrated with the VR headset. But nevertheless, I got to do one thing more than Shouvik, so I'm happy. So with that, we come to an end of our VR entertainment experience here at Smash, which is just opened at DLF Mall of India. I'm going to end this with a strength test. Shouvik, show us what you got.
Okay, just
Take on the mighty hammer of Thor.
Just before you guys decide that I'm not strong enough, always remember I just came off a hang glider. So
Yes, Shouvik just came off a hang glider, and let's see how much strength he has got left in him. Go 1, 2, and... That was really bad, Shouvik. I think I could do better than that.
Yeah, I mean...
I think I will do better than that. Okay, come on.
Okay, never mind.
It's my turn. Okay, there I go. That's my attempt. I hope I can, you know, win this. 1, 2, and there I go. And I won it!